My daughter is the camera girl. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bagong mga tanawin sa Baguio. Samahan ninyo kami on this multiple series adventure once again to Baguio City, Philippines. Wow!
And when the moment comes to hold each other close, we're gonna see the sparks, just like a shooting star. Look back at where we were. Now I'm so glad we're here. It took us all.
Ay, wala pa yung facade. Doon na lang pala sa harap. We're here. We've arrived. Time check. It's, ay wala na, 6:32 p.m. And we are here at Batirol. Later, we will show you the front or the facade of the restaurant. So, come and join us. Let's go. Yung maneto. Yung maneto. Ano pa? Landscape.
May landscape.
Kasama namin si Hanji-chan. Hanji Pucho! Gusto niya ulit agad yung pagkain. Baby Pooch! How are you, baby? How are you? How are you, baby? This is our table.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
Anong masasabi niyo? Perfect 5, no? Perfect 10. 110%. Sarap.
Wow. A little longer than a few minutes later.
Hanji Puchu, this is your new home, baby. And this is our accommodation for the entire stay.
Wow.
And this is me. Nakamask pa ako. First floor kami.
Nakita ko yung ibig. Oo, tara nyo. Tara nyo. Tara? Tara nyo siya.
A little home tour.
Toilet.
This is the ZR.
This is the zero. Where's the item? Oh.
Ayun.
Oh, yes, yes.
Hello, what's up?
We are taking a bath.
Uy, walang free soap. Pero merong heater.
Ano, te?
Eh, natatakpan naman daw kasi ng shower curtain eh.
Paano ba ito mo?
Muna sa diapers niya.
Bye-bye. Patulong daw. Diaper.
Asin diaper
Pasunod
niya?
na lang ng wipes. Baka may tayo.
So, the first thing we're gonna do is get, oo nga, amoy poops nga siya. So, this is a pet-friendly
Bilisan na lang.
accommodation. So, merong washing machine. Ayan. Dito muna. Ito yung entrance. Sa 4th floor kami, guys. Ayan. Meron dito. Ganyan. This is the first room. Wow! This is our room. Master bedroom. Tadan! And this is the balcony. Open air kasi malamig na. Wow! Ang lawak dito. Madilim nga lang. Wow! Yan. Taran! There. This is the... Madilim, guys. So, this is the fake fireplace. This is the... So, sobrang liwanag nito sa umaga. Wala man lang, blackout curtains. There's a table over here and here. This is our bed na merong langaw. May langaw nakapasok. Oh, no! Alis ka, alis. This is the master bath. Toilet and bath. Tcharan! Yan, may water heater. Shower curtain. Merong cabinet and pillows. That's the other bed. That's the... Anji Mucho, baby!
Ganito.
This is your new home, baby.
Stress ko siya yung nakababa pa. Nakataas na yung...
Sabi niya, sa wakas, hindi na maalog. This is the second room. Parang mas maganda tong room nyo. Dito na lang kaya kami.
Saan ba sa inyo? Doon sa kabila?
Opo.
Mas okay sa kabila.
Oo, doon na lang kayo, ha? Di dyan kami.
Saan? Palit daw tayo, sabi ni Michelle.
Hindi, tinan niyo muna.
Laki nun.
Kaya nga, mas malaki, mas maganda. Sa bagay, gusto ni malaki.
Dapat dito talaga meron tong walang green.
Oo nga, nakakatakot.
Delikado ka dito,
Oo, delikado ka dyan sa hagdan. Wala man lang grill.
Talaga may greens.
Mag-suggest dapat.
This is the refrigerator. Oy, may nag-iwan pa ng hindi nila nilinis.
Ano yan?
May yelo sa loob.
May pa nga sabon yun.
O, may sabon talaga dapat kasi kasama na tong mga spoons, plate. This is where you will cook.
Para sama si Ate
And
pag kumakain tayo.
this is the trash bin, cabinet. And that's it. That's the mini hotel tour. And we will see you tomorrow. Good night. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Early the next morning.
Good morning, Nanay Judith.
Sama muna ako sa vlog mo.
Good morning, Baguio. It's the 8th of December, Feast of the Immaculate Conception.
Oo nga pala, makilit pala ngayon.
Happy birthday, Mama Mary. And today is our monthsary as well, December 8th. Nanay Judith is cooking sinigang na pampano. Prito muna dahil masarap ang pampanong piprituhin muna bago gawing sinigang. And ihiwa na ang aking sisterette and ang aking Jonakises. And ang aking brotherhood is watching. Tulong muna ako. Timplahan ko ng coffee si Habi. Babush.
Moments later.
Good morning, YouTube! We're here at Mines View. And join us as we check the place out. This is my first time here sa Mines View, but this isn't my first time here in Baguio. Oh, may Half Moon Cafe. Parang ito yung hotel namin dati na bumabagyo. Or hindi. Umakyat kami dito na one time bumabagyo. Yung pickup truck namin gumagana. Ha?
Sa mga entrance.
Dun pa. So, yun lang muna. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. We'll catch you later. Strawberry taho. Sarap.
3 kilo po.
50 pesos.
Wow.
One size lang yung cup nila. Sarap.
Tatlong kilo.
Go!
So, bayaran mo na ito.
Picture tayo sa St. Bernard.
Picture tayo kay Nanay.
Kasilaw. Liwanag masyado. Ito yung sinasabi kong ledge, sis. Mines View pala to. Ito yun, ito mismo yun.
Yan yung mga maganda na indoor plant na hindi mahal. Strawberries mo.
Bumili din kami niyan, guys. Makain ako ngayon. Pusit. Yung pusit, 3, 100. Tapos yan, 50, 1 cup.